Hello everyone, I'm Rosemary and welcome to my channel Cooking Wellness. So for today I'm making this healthy oatmeal recipe with fruits. The fruits I use are pineapple, apples and banana. I also added coconut flakes which I made myself. This is my sliced apple, my sliced bananas and sliced pineapple. I'm also using 1 egg to garnish this meal. So the first thing I'm just doing, I'm adding a half cup of oatmeal to my plate. Then I'll add a cup of boiled water. After adding the water, and I'm just stirring slightly for the water to go round. After doing this, I'll just cover with a plate and let it rest for about 2 minutes. This is actually an instant oat, so I don't need to cook in the pot for you. But you can decide to use the steel cut oat or the rolled oat, depends on what is available. Now my oat has relaxed and is soft now. I've opened and I'm just stirring to combine completely. For the fruits I'm using the pineapple, bananas and apples. This is what I have available. They are super healthy for weight loss. Pineapple is very good to lose weight. If you want to lose weight, pineapple should be one of the major fruits you should eat constantly. Also apples also help to burn fat also. Now I just added a teaspoon of honey to my oats and I'll be stirring that. Also I'm using powdered milk. You can also use liquid milk if that's what you have. I just added my milk and I'm stirring. Now I'll add in my fruits. You don't need to wait for strawberries, blueberries. Those are also good options for taking oats. But whatever fruit is available for you, just use it. After adding my fruits, I also added a tablespoon of coconut chips. Yes, this coconut chip is super healthy and delicious as well and can go well for your oatmeal. This I made myself. If you want to know how I made this, it didn't take time at all. Just leave a comment in my comment section. Please like my videos, share my videos, subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to click on the notification bell to be notified whenever I post a new video. Thank you so much for watching. Take care and God bless.